Let's look at the top headlines first. Union Home Minister Amit Shah visits More and Kangpokpi. Thousands form human chain in Bishnupur to bring back normalcy in Manipur. Lawyer groups of Manipur condemn silence of state and central government on Sioux agreement. Congress team meet President over Manipur issue, high-level probe demanded. And curfew relaxed in Imphal East and West for 7 hours. Hello and good evening. Welcome to ELITETV Primetime English News at 6. I'm Utpala. Before giving you the news, we request you to follow the SOP given by the government. Wear face masks when out in public, wash hands regularly and maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet between one person and another. ELITETV also requests you to get vaccinated in time to protect ourselves from this virus and play your part in the fight against COVID-19. Now the news in detail. In his third day in Manipur, Union Home Minister Amit Shah today visited More and talked to the civil society organization and leaders of different communities residing there. Leader and representatives of Kuki community submitted memorandum demanding a separate administration for Kuki inhabited areas. The talks went on for a long time, however, he did not assure anything. The Union Home Minister then visited Kangpokpi later in the day where he had talks held with several memorandums submitted. Women folk of Uripok today took out a peace rally protesting against involvement of external forces like People Defence Force (PDF) of Myanmar in the present crisis of Manipur. The rally was attended by a large number of women folk holding placards with different slogans. The rally was stopped by Manipur police near Uripok and Samumakhong crossing. Talking to media persons, a woman protester, Jennifer Khaidem, said the central and state government will try their level best to bring normalcy in the state.
Atay karisunate ahing akoy yarek tarim isa singdu gidamakta akoy gidamakta lamtheng na basakiba mayamado nomo gisidal lai makoy gidamakta akoy na tholaktuna kholaw ase central government takta na gidamakta ne akoy na ngasi thoglaga lauriba se men noina Manipur da haurakliba ihau churakliba mairi ase churakliba makoy ado kuki su Makoy Manipur dagi maru phokna lauthok piraga akoy santi hoina leiba pame akoy gi icha isu sokpang yang bangam thalaktre akoy asi hai.
The unprecedented communal violence that broke out suddenly on May 3rd has resulted in the question for the integrity of Manipur. Hairok Assembly constituency MLA Dr. Thokchom Radhesham has stated that he will lead any movement if the situation arises where the integrity of Manipur is at stake. He made the statement at the prayer ceremony for the baby born to an inmate, Ningombam Lingtongambi, at the relief camp at Hairok Higher Secondary School. He said that the violent clashes erupted unexpectedly when Manipur was celebrating the progress the state has seen recently and has resulted in the hopes of thousands of people being dashed to the ground. Each and every person is suffering. Several memorandums to uphold the integrity of Manipur as well as to bring back normalcy has been submitted. He further stated that he has dedicated his life to the public since the day he joined politics in November of 2016. He said he will lead and stand by his people in whatever decisions they take and assured that Manipur will not lose even 1 inch of land and the BJP, and he will stand by this decision. He also stated that any unrest results in professional hazards among the security forces. The Assam Rifles have people from northeast communities. He hoped that they are not biased and said that the suspicions and apprehensions of the public have been communicated to Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Home Minister Amit Shah has vowed to bring back normalcy back in the state at the earliest and said that Manipur has observed precedent rule 9 times in the past. In that time, no minister from central government came to Manipur to try and solve the issue. He urged the people to have faith in the government, which is trying to bring back normalcy in the state. He also provided a toll-free number for the control room where people can call to complain about any security forces not performing their duties. He appealed to the public to work towards bringing peace and normalcy. An 8-member team of Congress led by party chief Mallikarjun Kharge yesterday met President of India Draupadi Murmu, apprising her of the situation in Manipur, where violence erupted on May 3rd and demanded a probe by a high-level inquiry committee headed by a serving or retired Supreme Court judge. Addressing a press conference at the party headquarters in Delhi after submitting the memorandum with the AICC, President Congress General Secretary Jairam Ramesh said the delegation team went to meet President Murmu over the Manipur issue. The delegation was led by Congress Chief Kharge and a 4-page memorandum was submitted and demanded what action should be taken. He further said the current crisis in Manipur is a result of BJP's divisive politics. Besides, the Manipur government's intelligence has failed. He further demanded that there is a need for immediate identification of those who have died and handing their bodies over to the bereaved families for the last rites, and a special drive must be carried out to trace many numbers of missing people. In relation to the violent communal clash that started on May 3rd, All Manipur Bar Association, All Manipur Lady Advocate Association, Bishnupur District Bar Association and Thoubal District Bar Association staged a sit-in protest condemning the RAF sent by the central government for allegedly helping Kuki militants. In the sit-in protest, All Manipur Bar Association President Puyam Tomcha Mitei stated that 28 days have passed since the violent communal clashes erupted and the Manipur government as well as the central government have not taken any concrete steps till now. If this continues, All Manipur Bar Association will take up strong legal actions.
पोचे हौजे अखोइगी मखा मखा तारक मतमसिदा अखोइगी लोंगी सेटप मयाम यावरमे हाबिगी पोदम लाए अदर मसी यौरक तारगदी अखोइगी मयामना नहानदगी ngangne duna laiba ngasigi thoiba irang sidi masi Burmese kukina thonwane habse masi yam mayek sangaye adu iba taragadi masi external aggression ni adu taragadi masi da akoina minister mo na laiba se masi na akoi sufficient oide aduna akoi gi defense ministry degi akoi gi defense ki mantri oiba akoi gi Rajnath pu akoina taramna uksari thuna lakpiyo adu Manipur se please save from foreign aggression Nata taragadi Manipur se machen mak se tagraga akoi gi India ki mache da mamang gi phibum da leire aduna akoi Praja Kandiyo to come Mitegi Matakta quick genocide, the Wiki Potama Yam Sound Lady, Yung Kai May Tava Marum Carigino, Mission Praza, Onzalaga, sophisticated weapon. Sagata the come late in a couple of Marum Carigino, Masi, Singopio, Masidi, some Samba, communal class nate, Masidi. Nasagi Kwiki Sugi Cathedral, we say Minister of Home Affairs Namagi private army on the season Raga, Manipur Prasada, Tamane, take the Wimamala, Aduna of Manipur Prasana, Tara, Central Processing, Kwiki Tazabasi Mangele, Aduna de Mase, a Kwiki United Nations, the Haraga, a Kwiki United Nations Peacekeeping Force, Yamnatuna Tazal, Pukimato, where Masi, Quick Prazapunum, Gantabum, Masiki, people see Yogringa, Manipur Goman, Amazon India Gomena, Matikabi Excel Local Pio, Burmese Cookie Tantopio, a Kwiki in the signature he listening, Ani Hena Queen Chinana. ngasagi karigumba nungai nadaba matek lakpa tarakasu mapungina nungsinana hingaiba sei lising ani henbagi itias leireiba akhoi lamdam asi thuaina basi masi sinbi ganu Manipur kaiba matamda India kaiba ne habse khangan bi aduna please save Manipur let us save India habse akhoi haijege aduga mitei singse India gi citizen habse kawbi ganu citizen gi matakta khut thaba matamda government tumina yengduna leibase masi khwaidagi nungai taba thokdo amane masi tawbi ganu haidana akhoi gi bar gi makai di ukil gi makai di ge akhoi masi haijari aduna masi di henjal ko taragade akhoi gi ain gi oiba lokhum tokba action sing akhoi lokhalakani habse akhoi praja kanna gi nokta akhoi ukil singna akhoi isa gi thabuk thadoga akhoi thawaina pon thapurga akhoi tholakani habse masi mdi kawbi ganu haidana punamukta akhoi khanganjari.
On Sunday, 28th of May, 19-year-old Ngamom Yaifoba alias Nevi, age 19, son of NG Sanakomba from Sugunu Awang Mandop Rak, was headed home from Pasoi. He never reached home and his whereabouts are unknown. His mother and sisters-in-law have stated that they do not know whether he is dead or alive. A sit-in protest was staged at Pasoi Part 2 Community Hall, organized by Part 2 Makhalekai Pamyal Club in association with Merapaibis of Women's Development Association. Pamal Club Vice President Thongam Mocha, who was a part of the sit-in protest, said that all our Kuki brothers have burned our homes to cinders and we have no clue where they have taken Nevi, and all communications with him are lost. His last words were that he had been shot and to please save him. Then they lost contact and they got a call from another number from a Kuki militant stating that Nevi was dead, so don't worry about him.
Phone tawrakiba aduda ringje chatlamaga makje nongmaina pale aije nongmaina pale amtang kanbiona hairamme adugi hairamba matungsida hojiki Nevi hairiba nupa macha asi aikogi makhatana pau phaunaba ngamgidaba ringje chalam matungda aduga amu maki number sidagi kuki gi militant jing waibe ai kuki gi chinau kharana phone je mawone copy tawraga number je sumai tawdana hojiki Nevi hairiba si akoina mark se sina thokare loina thokare haibadi sigare haibane koina hariba mongsi yamna tamthiba asigumba si akoi pasoi patu gi maira paibi amadi pamyan club ki maigai degi tami sengna akoi masi kandem tawi masi da natana akoi khongjom bazar degi akoi gi adum laba chinnaw amasu mafam khangdana mangki baduga mak hato khre haina akoi gi media da kuki sinaw jing khangalakpa masi da natana Manipur gi kachin koya kaya da lairiba akhoi gi sinaw jing alamajing kaya mafam khangdana usi thiba khangdana lairi asingum singa si atuba matamda akhoi gi Manipur government amadi India government amadi lairiba kuki gi sinaw jingna akhoi mai magi family da lekai da sinabiduna atuba matamda tawgida taragadi pasoi gi site gi akhoi gi mai ben amadi club gi site gi tungan ba action kya akhoi khongjang kya sangjan jarakani loina na akhoi ngrang lakleba union home minister Amit Shah mangna lakleba magi khongchat asi akhoi yamna warmly welcome toramani adu hoji akhoi na condemn tawi maramdi mangna lakpaga close door da Susampur chatuna wari saba kanaga kari wari sanai habisi miyam da mayak chengna khangandaba asi akhoi pamyan club amadi women's development association anigi maikai dagi akhoi condemn tawi.
Meanwhile, Nevi's mother and sisters-in-law stated that he is a good person and appealed to the concerned authorities to help in bringing him back safely.
Manavada mana ai nongmai pale bai ai takanbiyo na hairame na hai pung madiga minute mangajida aduga dui matungda khoina phone tawba matamdadi maje adum ring di chalame ring chalaga pungai mukti ring chalama matungda gi di phone je dum op lai gare ahing chupa khoi tumba chaba changdagi magi phone je dum dal tawe matamda adum switch off haire adu ayuki pung manga ga minute 13 da ina dal tawa matamda phone je switch off lai rame aduga manga ga minute kunda ina dal tawa matamda na phone je mu all lai rame adai di ai je magi phone do all lai di ai wakhan di thakat poi kai boi taraga ngang ai loi kau thoga Nevi gi phone je ring chatle nui kan tholo na haire adum mai taw ring je phone je ahum lakti chatlame adu adui matung dagi adum op legi beduna nga chi baw ba adum paw phongna ba phangdan ai gi naw je adum nga chi baw ba wari ju chana ba phangdan adum lairi
te kana ga yek na bel lai chete sarkar na bieng chang biu ai gi cha ingon da sin biu asi hai ban tan ai kare ju pai lai chandre ai sa sin biu ai ngon da sarkar na bieng chang biu.
The absence of intervention of the government in the situation in Kumbi Assembly constituency has compelled the common people of the constituency to ask for arms for their protection, stated AAP Activity Coordinator S. Bankim Chandra. He made the statement at a press meet held at the AAP office today. They had appealed to the government to provide security forces for Kumbi Assembly constituency, and the government had even promised to arrange security forces. However, so far no security has been provided in the constituency, which has resulted in arson and deaths of several common people. The 3-day visit of Union Home Minister Amit Shah has not resulted in any decision on what the people want, and there are no mention of the Sioux agreement. He stated that he is not confident that the prevailing situation will be brought under control, and also questioned why we have to wait for another 10 days after Amit Shah leaves. He expressed that the situation could be brought under control by bringing a mutual understanding through talks. He further stated that essential items are running out and there are no signs of lifting the blockade.
12 governor masada direct sanganga governor da with map ka yauna aikoi kumbi kendra gi tainari ba jaga sing number 1 napat ka singat ka tainari ba jaga adagi di aikoi gi saikot ka tainari ba aikoi gi ngarang han irang thoki ba aikoi gi jaga sing sidaisda security thambiu aina direct oina map ko loina koi governor da pijaram bani adugi matungda hajik makoina security thambidabadagi hajik irang akan bese thoktana kumbi kendra gi manungda yum satruk ki mathakta maina sakre aduga mioi nipan gi mathakta laigidre masini koi gi hajik koi gi government sina pangthopang ngamda Hammani and Adugi Ayabadi Simba City report Moina. Hozik Kumbi Kendra Makoina any relief ki or Natragana Akogi security ki the oro being Amata Sang Tiabsi Prazasing that saying now the Koshana Regala even near the now Prazasing Haribasi Mokoi the Kulai Pibiro Makoi in the Latin Nazarage government Yaudana my now the Kumbi Kendra Prazasing at Mina.
In the spate of the violent communal clash between two communities in Manipur, security personnel of Manipur Police, CRPF, Assam Rifles and Manipur Commando head officers and several personnel took out a flag march in Jiribam from SP Bungalow at IB Lekai through Rani Veng, Chandrapur till Dibong Kunau and from Uchathol to Kamaranga Kashikun. Maharamba Pradeep has been holding security coordination meeting at the Deputy Commissioner's office every day. Security agencies in Jiribam, CRPF, Assam Rifles, IRB said that the agencies have a discussion every day as per the information they receive from the intelligence agencies. There have been no untoward incidents so far in Jiribam. However, to take away the fear and apprehension of the public, the flag march was organized. They further said that they will continue to maintain peace and normalcy in the district. In relation to the violent clash among two communities of Manipur and to get a solution to the current restive situation in the state, a human chain was formed in Bishnupur comprising of thousands of people of different communities to protest and demand the non-extension of Kuki militants' Sioux agreement to implement NRC and bring back normalcy in Manipur. 34 tribes of Manipur, excluding Kukis, forming the human chain, shouted slogans stating integrity of Manipur will be protected by the 34 tribes. Sioux militants must be removed from Manipur's Long live Manipur, integrity of Manipur will not break, we want peace, etc. Peace Committee Bishnupur Secretary Loitongbam Devchan stated that the victims and the internally displaced people as a result of Kuki militants burning their homes and properties must be paid compensation and that they must be able to return to the lives they were living before the clash. He appealed to the Union Home Minister Amit Shah to bring back normalcy and remove Sioux militants from Manipur so that peace may prevail. United Women Development Organization Secretary R.K. Tombisana also appealed to the Indian Home Minister Amit Shah to bring back normalcy and let hills and valley people live peacefully like they did before the violent communal clash. Acclaimed filmmaker Haubam Pavan Kumar expressed that the present situation prevailing in the state with a communal touch is unfortunate. All should join hands together to restore peace and normalcy soon so that the upcoming generations do not have a sad future, he appealed. Pawan Kumar, talking to DIPR, said he never thought that the current issue would turn communal. Any issue with a communal touch always has lasting impacts, and this issue is not solved in time. It will give a lasting negative impact to the future generation. He further stated Manipur is like a mini India, and we as citizens of the state, irrespective of whichever community one belongs to, should try to bring an amicable solution. Even the mainland Indians dwelling in Manipur should not remain silent spectators during such critical times and should join in to restore peace in the state. He added that in the larger interest of the people of the state, we all should work together. The news report of the present situation as shared in social media and the mainland media somehow seems to lack ground reality and tries to bring the narrative based on religion, he added. He further said that in Manipur there has never been any occurrence of such incidents based on religion, as religion has never been a major concern or a barrier in our society. The present issue is quite different from those narratives, and the comments made without knowing the ground reality needs to be checked. At this moment, all citizens of the country need to put effort to solve the present situation to bring peace and tranquility in the state, he appealed.
I last film the Nine Hills One Valley da ta segna sigi kano se ai sigi aki ba jang on the fau di kuijera bane ado ta segna smaina akhoi gi handak thoi se communal tone ma yaurakane se sima ti ai thajada bane aduna yamna kan laibak thiba bu communal oirakpa gi kano ma lak pa se si kitang si kaigino da si smaina communal hek oira ga di magi impact se yam lasting oiraga khoi si yamna yam nungai taba future ama khoi gi angang singi future ama yam nungai taba future ama ui aduna akhoi se aina khanbada akhoi Manipur se mini India gumba mani aduna mini India si da mayam ama leiminari aduna pharasu amana lalasu amana kano torasu akhoi mayam se community mayam se amtang fazana chungjan minaraga kaino da maitai ni aduni kuki ni aduni nataba tai mayam su leiri da nako mayam se changjan minaraga even khoina mainland gi mayam mayang hai go mayam se su loina tumina leitaba magi ni moigi ni hana tongna dana akhoi mayam amtang punjal laga sigi pot se phana bamtang kano tawmina ba ma change na khanjai Manipur gi oina khallaga larger kano da khallaga mayam se work tawmina bana hena phane na khanjai kaigino da social media se reality se social media da natana akoi gi mainland media su ain khan bada akoi gi ground reality se kitang gyan ta da ba hai tare aduna swai gi pot se akoi religion nom da pusalakna ga hona ba Manipur da di religion gi kai ye domna lei ponte akoi na ngang oi nge da gi religion gi pot se religion da yamna kano tawba se akoi sunga tarakte aduga akoi gi mainland gi narrative ki akoi Hindu Muslim gi type ta akoi shaida pusalak pasu lan gane na khanjai aduna akoi gi problem this our problem is something else aduna akoi gi reality se kaino khangdana comment tawriba mayam sidagi khitang kano tok thokpi raga akoi mayam se pulapna laimina daba yade ko haibase somda kitang kok thada haningi mayam.
The first-year MBBS students of Churachandpur Medical College from Imphal have urged the authority concerned to arrange some safer place for further studies. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club at Major Khul, a first-year student, Toiba, said the unpredicted scene still hovering in his mind when he was in college hostel. At this juncture, he didn't want to study in Churachandpur Medical College. He drew the attention of the authority concerned to look into the matter at the earliest.
Go back to the Churachandpur. There is no problem. There is traumatized of the student. Near our hostel, they are burned down the committee's quarters, and we will not forget that incident, and that we get traumatized after that incident. Just now also we have traumatized, and we will not go back. And please, Sarkar, please government that arrange that we are attached to that safer place, just like Imphal, anything in Thawal also.
On the other hand, another medical student, Mangal, also mentioned that they are not safe in the college. Besides the present situation, he doesn't want to go back to Churachandpur and study further. He also drew the attention of the authority concerned to take up necessary action as soon as possible.
We will never go back to the place where laws are no influence, where even a medical student will be harmed. So we want to ask the government to arrange, since the 60 out of 100 students are from the valley, we want to study in the places where we feel safe, where our needs could be, our security is a priority things. So the only thing we want to propose to the government is please arrange in an area where laws are imposed, and I would like to study, or we love to study in those places.
So why do you feel unsafe? Are there any atrocities meted out in the field by the miscreants?
During our stay in the hostel, we thought, initially we thought that our hostel was safe. But protesters and some armed people have come and encroached our area, and they have even taken a lot of our things, including our mobile phone. It has been also reported that our hostel has been partially roughed. That's why we don't feel safe now.
It has been detected that a Facebook account in the name of M. Premjoy Mete has uploaded comments intimidating the tribal brethren residing in Imphal City by inciting violence and creating panic and insecure feelings among the tribal communities. A press release issued by the Directorate of Information and Public Relations, DIPR, the Imphal Police Station has already registered a case, and after a proper investigation, it was found that the said Facebook account was a fake one. In this connection, it is hereby appealed to the tribal communities residing in Imphal area not to feel panic and intimidated by the fake comments generated in social media during the prevailing law and order situation. The government of Manipur is fully committed towards protecting the lives and properties of all the tribal communities for restoration of normalcy, peace and harmony. Appeal is also hereby made to the netizens of the state not to upload comments and pictures creating panic and sense of insecurity to any community, the press release added. Curfew has been relaxed in Imphal East and West till 11 a.m. today. Markets and shops are open in both the districts. People rushed to purchase the essential items during the curfew relaxation. In the wake of the violent clashes between two communities in Manipur that started on May 3rd, the Manipur government decided to prepone the summer vacation for educational institutions in the state due to the ongoing situation. However, with the sporadic clashes and incidents of violence, the summer vacations, which had been declared till the 1st of June, have been extended for an additional 15 days for classes till class 10. Chief of Defence Staff General Anil Chauhan on Tuesday said challenges in Manipur have not disappeared, but expressed hope that things will settle down in some time, while noting the situation in the northeastern state now is not related to insurgency. The death toll from clashes since ethnic rioting began on May 3rd in Manipur has gone up to 80, according to officials. Chauhan was in Pune on Tuesday to review the passing out parade of the 144th course of the National Defence Academy NDA. Asked about the situation in Manipur, he told reporters that the Army's Assam Rifles were deployed in Manipur before 2020. Since the challenges of the northern borders were far more, we were able to withdraw the army. Since the insurgency situation has normalized, we were able to do that. It is a clash between two ethnicities and a situation of law and order, he said.
It's a law and order kind of a situation which we are helping the state government. So while we were there to fight insurgency, that level certainly has come down enough to that level which permitted us to actually withdraw the armed forces from there. But right now we are into a different situation altogether, trying to separate out the communities which are, ethnic, because of ethnicity and a number of clashes which are happening. We've done an excellent job, Assam Rifles and armed forces, and may have saved a large number of lives. The challenges in Manipur have not gone, they're not disappeared. One way to say, it will take some time actually, but hopefully they should set.
Senior IPS officer Rajiv Singh, currently the Inspector General of CRPF, has been sent to Manipur and is likely to be appointed to a key post to handle the prevailing security situation in the state. Singh, a 1993 batch IPS officer of the Tripura cadre, has been sent to Manipur on inter-cadre deputation for 3 years, according to an official order. The order also stated that Singh be relieved immediately to enable him to take up his new assignment. The transfer comes at a time Manipur is seeing ethnic conflicts since violence broke out in the state on May 3rd, the toll of which has climbed to 80. The state witnessed a sudden spurt in clashes and firing between militants and security forces on Sunday after a relative lull for over a fortnight. Stay tuned, it's time for a short break. We'll be right back.
Babina Diagnostics Manipur da ihan hanba oina ingsok lising amaga chamapal marifuhumdoi da linkhatki. Masina awang nongpok Bharat da yamna pak chawna miyoi bagi ana layeng da darkar lakpa makhal kayagi changyeng sing pangthoi. Mayamdugi marakta amatang pallabada radiological investigation su mai pak na pangthokli. Wana hona jaba miyoi bagi sebani khana angamba thakta laibak thiraba ana ayek nanglaba kayagi mating pangjaba si sakhang biduna awang nongpokta ihan hanba oina NABL gi accreditation pibirakhi. Miyam gi pothafam ngainafam testofam report lawfam gi awaba du kokhanduna changfam hangfam pothafam gari parking cafeteria yauna marang kaina leizaraba unit ama oina miyam gi seba tawjari. Unit asida thamjariba matamgi darkar oirakpa equipment singdi 1.5 Tesla MRI, 128 slice CT scanner, mammography, DEXA scanner, digital X-ray, loinana, hematology, clinical chemistry, amadi, clinical pathology, immunology, microbiology, molecular biology, amasung immunohistochemistry studies ki masing yamlaba automated analyzers.
Welcome you all to UNACO College, Kongman, Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAc courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
Miyamda Kanganjaba UNACO School Chanungda Security Force Lairibasi School Asiga Karimta Mari Lainajade Mapam Sida Security Force Thamba Pamba Pamdaba Haibasi Miyamna Lepiu Miyamgi Warip Aduda Ekoi Saguchay Luinina Atopa UNACO Gi School Singda Security Force Amapauba Laisilak Palate Miyamna Hozik Hauriba Iho Asi Manipur Kannanaba Oibana UNACO Group Su Miyamgi Iho Asida Saru Yazari Kanghanjariba PRO UNACO School Chanung.
Welcome back. You're watching ELITETV English News. 11 sports personalities from Manipur, including Olympic medal winner weightlifter Saiko Mirabai Chanu, have written to Home Minister Amit Shah, urging him to find a solution to the ongoing crisis in the state. It is pertinent to mention that we shall surrender our awards if the centre fails to take necessary action to restore peace in Manipur soon, the letter states. The Delhi Metro Rail Corporation DMRC on Tuesday launched a WhatsApp-based ticketing service on Airport Express line. Commuters will have to add the DMRC's official WhatsApp number 965085580 to their phone's contact list. A maximum of 6 QR code-based tickets can be generated for each passenger. PM Narendra Modi will launch BJP's month-long Maha Jansampark campaign in Rajasthan's Ajmer today to reach out to every voter in the 543 Lok Sabha constituencies ahead of 2024 elections. During the Pan-India campaign, over 51 rallies, public meetings at over 500 places, and over 600 press conferences will take place. Moreover, 5 lakh distinguished families will also be contacted. Addressing a gathering of the Indian diaspora in US, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi said that RSS and BJP are controlling all the instruments of politics in India. Prior to Bharat Jodo Yatra, we were finding that the normal tools that we use for politics, like holding conversations with people and having public meetings, were not working in India, Rahul added. India has decided to host the annual Shanghai Cooperation Organization SCO Summit in a virtual format on July 4th, the Ministry of External Affairs said. The summit will be chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The in-person SCO Summit took place in the Uzbek city of Samarkand last year. North Korea launched a military spy satellite on Wednesday, but it crashed into the sea soon after an accident occurred during its flight, state media said. The satellite launched rocket failed because of instability in the engine and fuel system, state news agency KCNA reported. The launched rocket was supposed to put North Korea's first spy satellite in orbit. The 4-member crew of Axiom Mission 2, the second all-private astronaut mission to International Space Station ISS, is heading back to Earth in SpaceX's Dragon spacecraft. The spacecraft has docked from ISS and is expected to splash down off the coast of Florida on Wednesday at around 8:30 a.m. IST. The mission carried the first Saudi Arabian woman to space. For ELITETV News Channel, contact the email address info@elitetv.in or 940-289-0982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. Before we wind up for the day, let's look at the top headlines once again. Union Home Minister Amit Shah visits More and Kangpokpi. Thousands form human chain in Bishnupur to bring back normalcy in Manipur. Lawyer groups of Manipur condemn silence of state and central government on Sioux agreement. Congress team meet President over Manipur issue, high-level probe demanded. And curfew relaxed in Imphal East and West for 7 hours. That's all we have for today. Thank you for watching ELITETV English News. Take care and stay safe.